Hello friends, welcome to BYK Expert Lecture Series 2021. Myself Paresh Sangvikar, Department of Commerce, Junior College Unit Nasik. Today we are going to learn about the financial market. This is very important subject, important topic for the 12th examination. This topic gives you 14 mark with option and 10 marks without option. Before we start, we must know that what is meant by market. Where there are purchasing and selling is going on, it is called a market. It may be vegetable market. It may be securities market. It may be commodities market. It depends upon where there are purchasing and selling going on. It is called a market. So market where entities can trade financial securities, commodities at low transaction costs and at prices that reflects the supply and demand. It is called a financial market. Here the word securities are involved. Security includes stocks, bonds, shares, debentures, and commodities. It is called a financial market. It means that an institution that facilitate exchange of financial instrument, including deposits, corporate stocks, loan, government bond, etc., is called a financial market. It means it is a market where financial assets are bought and sold. It acts as a middleman between investors and borrowers. It is called a financial market. Let's discuss about the functions of financial market. First one, mobilization of saving. For an economy to be successful, it is crucial that the money does not sit idle. Thus, a financial market helps in connecting those with money with those who requires the money. It means that the person who have a surplus money connecting with the institution or the corporates which requires the money. It means investors that have saving must be linked with corporates that requires investment. So financial market enable the investor to invest their saving according to their choices and risk assessment. Liquidity. What is meant by liquidity? Whatever we have purchased, it can be converted into cash. It is called a liquidity. In this market, assets that buyers and sellers trade have a high liquidity. It means investor can easily sell those investment assets for cash. Liquidity is an important reason for investors to participate in the trade so that the middleman can attract towards the financial market because of that functions liquidity. This means at any time investors can sell their financial financial instrument to convert them into the cash whenever they required. Third, determine the price of the securities. The frequent interaction between investors helps in fixing the price of the security on the basis of their demand and the supply in the market. We know that the prices are always depend upon the demand and supply. Those security who have a more demand, definitely the price will be high. And those security which demand are low, it is definitely the price will be low. same as per the supply of the securities also. Capital formation. Financial market provides a channel through which saving flows to industrial and commercial firms into the form of capital. This leads to the capital formation. It means that the financial market provide a channel for what? For saving flow to the industry and the commercial organization who requires the money. It is called a capital formation. Easy access. The financial market provides a platform where both the buyer and the seller can find each other easily without spending too much time, money, or efforts. That can be easy for the both investors and the industries because they both are need each other. Save time and money. Financial markets serve as a platform where buyers and sellers can easily find each other without making too much efforts or wasting a time, so that it definitely saves the time as well as the cost is very less, so that's what it will save the money also. Basically, this type of questions they will ask in question number 5, short answer, and question number 6, justify the statement. If the question number 5 it will be asked, you can just elaborate that 6 point, you will get the marks. But whenever this question is arising in question number 6 where justify, they can use one statement and you can give the explanation or reasons for the correct answer. Let's see the kind of financial market where the securities are exchanged from purchaser to buyer, from the seller, from the surplus person to the needy institution. Basically, financial market are divided into two markets: money market and capital market. Then capital market will be again distributed in two types: primary market and secondary market. We will discuss one by one because it may be asked in question number 5 or question number 6. Money market. A marketplace where our short-term funds are borrowed and lent is called the money market. The instrument deals with in the money market are liquid financial asset, which can be converted quickly into a cash in short-term period. It's called the money market. Let's discuss the characteristics of the money market. Already we have learned in the meaning. It is a short-term funds. The money market meets the short-term financial requirements of the business enterprises. In this market, short-term funds are borrowed and lent. It means that short-term funds here, it means that the period of that securities is not more than 1 year. It is called the short-term funds. Operations means from where the market will be run. There is no fixed place for carrying out lending and borrowing operations of the money market. It means that there is no fixed place, just like a capital market, or we can say that the stock market. Role of a broker, because we know that nowadays, whenever we want to exchange our shares and all these securities, the broker plays an important role. Dealing in money market may be conducted with or without the participation of appointment of the broker. There is no compulsion that brokers are required. Financial assets. This is one of the most important feature. The financial assets and the instruments that are dealt in money market are liquid and close substitutes for money. Such financial assets and instruments can be converted into cash. Already we have learned in the liquidity that the securities are easily converted into cash. The nature of market. The money market is not a single market, but a collection of market of different instruments, such as commercial bill, commercial paper, certificate of deposits, government securities, etc. This type of instruments are involved in the money market. Organizations. The main organizations or institution organizations deals in money market are Reserve Bank of India, RBI, state government, banks, etc. This question they may be asked in question number 4, question number 5, and question number 6. Question number 4 related with the distinguished money market and capital market. Question number 5 related with the short answer, and question number 6 in justify the statement. They can use your any features for the justification so that it is very easy, so that you should concentrate on that particular point. Let's see the next. Capital market. What is meant by capital market? A place where long-term funds are borrowed and lent is called the capital market. What is meant by money market? There is only change that where long-term funds or short-term fund. A marketplace where long-term funds are borrowed and lent, it is called capital market. The market where short-term funds are borrowed or lent, it is called a money market. Is the main difference between the capital market. So financial market where medium term and long-term funds are borrowed and lent, it is called a capital market. Let's see some characteristics. Deals in long-term funds. It provides a long-term funds through a long-term instrument. Hence, the maturity is measured in terms of years. This is the basic difference between the money market and capital market. Capital markets instruments are less than 1 year. Here there is a more than 1 year. What are the instruments? In capital market, already we have learned that long-term financial instruments such as bonds, debentures, equity shares and stocks are used for lending and borrowing of funds. How the market functions? The capital market functions as a link between the investors and the entrepreneur. It means that the institution, maybe the corporate world. Risk, definitely in capital market, instruments are a long term and subject to market fluctuation, so that it carries high financial and market risk, because the term is more. If the term is less, then risk will be less. The term is more, risk will be definitely more. Institution. The stock exchange is the main and important institution functioning the capital market. So stock exchange is the best example of the capital market, where the securities are exchanged, purchase or sell for long period of time. It is called the capital market. This question is also the important. They may be asked this question in question number 4, where distinguish between money market and capital market. Question number 5 may be the features and characteristics of capital market, or justify the statements. All the features, they can use one statement and they will ask for the justify the statement. So this is important for the board examination. Let's see another distinguish between, which is the most important again, primary market and secondary market. What is mean by primary? Where there is a market is the first time goods are purchased or sell. It is called the primary market. What is mean by secondary? Where there is second time these goods are purchased or sold. It is called the primary market. Let's see some points. A security market in which new issues of securities, that is shares, debentures, bonds, are arranged and organized, is called the primary market, where the company directly sells their shares with or through the IPO. It is called the primary market. What is meant by secondary? A security market in which existing securities, it means that already which are sold, are purchased and sold, is called the secondary market. The best example of primary market and secondary market, just the example, if you purchase a car from directly a showroom, it is a primary market. If you purchase that car from another owner, it is a secondary market. Don't write this example, just to explain the primary market and secondary market, I am giving the examples. Second point, functions. The main functions of primary market is to raise long-term funds or finance through a fresh or new issue of the security. IPO, selling a shares of initial public offer. It is a functions of a primary market. Secondary market. The main functions of secondary market is to provide continuous and ready market for existing long-term securities to the trade. Who are the participant? The main participant of a primary market are financial institution, mutual funds, underwriters, individual investor, etc. These are the participant. In secondary market, the main participant of a secondary market are the participant of primary market, stock brokers, and the members of a stock exchange. It means that as and when primary market cannot start directly, the securities never be purchased or sold in a secondary market. Listing requirement. What is meant by listing? If the name of the companies are or name of the company shares are listing with the stock exchange, it is called the listing requirements. In case of primary market, listing of securities are not required because company directly issue the shares to the public without help of stock exchange. In case of secondary market, the listing of securities are required for their authorized trading. If the company's name are involved in the stock exchange, then and then only they will ask for the or they will purchase or sell for the these securities. What is above the price? In the primary market, the prices of the securities are determined by the management of the corporate house with due compliance with the SEBI requirement in respect of new securities. It is totally depend upon the board of directors. In case of secondary market, the prices of the securities are determined by the force of demand for the and supply of the security in the market. It is depend upon the demand and supply of the. So that this question is also important for the distinguished purpose. For question number 5, they may be asked what is meant by the primary market, explain the primary market or explain the secondary market. So that 5 points you can elaborate with the explanation, with the example, it will give some more and more marks to it. Thank you very much. See you on next